In a lush green forest, there lived a wise old owl named Oliver. Every day, young parrots would gather around him, eager to learn how to stay safe and thrive in the wild. Among Oliver's students was Azul, a rare and beautiful Spix's macaw. His striking blue feathers made him stand out, but sometimes Azul felt too special to listen to Oliver's lessons. One day, as Oliver was teaching important lessons about staying safe, Azul grew restless.
I'm strong and smart. Why do I need these lessons?
Ignoring his teacher's warnings, Azul decided to fly off on his own. At first, Azul felt free and invincible as he soared above the treetops. But then, without warning, he was trapped in a hunter's net. No matter how hard he struggled, his wings became injured and he couldn't escape. Hearing Azul's frightened cries, Oliver rushed to his rescue. With his sharp claws, the wise owl tore through the net, freeing Azul from danger. Although free from the trap, Azul's wings were too hurt to fly. His fellow parrots, seeing their friend in trouble, quickly came to his aid. Together, they helped Azul return safely to the forest. Safe at last, Azul realized the mistake he had made.
I thought I could do everything on my own, but I see now how important it is to listen to my teacher and friends.
Oliver smiled and said,
Even the rarest and strongest birds need guidance. Respect your teachers and never stop learning, for they help you navigate life's toughest moments and keep you safe.
This Teacher's Day, remember to respect and appreciate your teachers. They guide you, protect you, and help you become the best version of yourself.